Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. So, managing projects efficiently is key to a successful agency. Whether you're handling multiple clients, juggling deadlines, or coordinating team efforts, the right project management software makes all the difference. In this video, we'll break down the best project management tools tailored for agencies so you can pick the best one that fits your workflow best. Right, so guys, pick number one is going to be our Monday.com, which is the best option for customization. This tool is perfect if you want full control over how your projects are organized. You can create custom workflows, automate repetitive tasks, and integrate it with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. Now let's quickly, of course, talk about its pros and cons. So in pros, highly customizable, intuitive interface, strong automation features. Cons: pricing can get expensive for larger teams. If you need flexibility and automation in your agency's workflow, this service is a solid choice. Right, so next one, guys, we have is ClickUp, and this is the best all-in-one solution. So this is a, of course, project management platform. It combines task management, document collaboration, goal tracking, and even built-in chat. Agencies that handle diverse projects will appreciate its versatility. As always, let's run through its pros and cons. So, firstly, it has a feature-packed stuffing, even on the free plan, custom views for different teams, and time tracking built in. In terms of the downsides, it can be overwhelming for beginners. If your agency needs a tool that does everything, ClickUp is worth considering for sure. Okay, my friends, so under number 3 we have Asana, which is going to be the option that is the best for team collaboration. For agencies that focus on collaboration, Asana is a great pick. It makes assigning tasks, tracking progress, and setting priorities simple. With features like timeline views and workload management, you can keep projects on schedule with ease. Now, once again, pros and cons: user-friendly and great teamwork, strong task automation features, good for both small and large teams, and in cons, limited customization compared to Monday or ClickUp. If your agency thrives on teamwork, Asana can help keep everyone aligned. Okay guys, next contender is Trello. This one is best for simplicity and visual planning. So do you need something simple and visual? Trello is an amazing choice. It's based on a Kanban style workflow, making it perfect for teams that like to keep things visual and straightforward. So guys, in terms of pros and cons, we have: it's super easy to use, great for organizing tasks visually. Free version works well for small teams. Cons: lacks advanced features like reporting and automation. For agencies that want a no-fuss project management tool, Trello is perfect. Alright, so now we have Notion, which is best for document and knowledge management. Finally, this is the last one. While primarily known for note-taking and documentation, it's also a fantastic lightweight project management tool. Agencies that need a mix of task management and knowledge sharing will love its flexibility. Now, in terms of its pros and cons, it's great for organizing both projects and documentation, customizable templates, and affordable pricing. In the cons, it's not as structured as dedicated project management tools. If your agencies value knowledge management alongside projects, Notion is a unique and powerful option. So guys, which project management software is best for your agency? If you need customization, go with Monday.com. Want all-in-one powerhouse? ClickUp has you covered. For a smooth team collaboration, Asana is a great pick. If you need a simple and a visual tool, Trello is a strong choice. And if lastly you want knowledge management included, Notion is your best bet. Each of these tools can help your agency stay productive and efficient, so pick one that fits your workflow. Guys, if you would appreciate some good discounts and good deals, please refer to the video description where we have a link, affiliate link for Monday.com if you want to have a quick start. So refer to the description to see the links, find them there. Guys, thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also leave a comment telling us what you think about these platforms and whether if you've used them or not. Thanks for watching guys, see you next time.